Merry Christmas, friends. Thanks for stopping by my grocery haul video for this week. I cannot believe the holidays are here. They totally kind of snuck up on me a little bit, but I'm going to share with you our meal plan for the week, along with what we're having for all of our Christmas time dinners. We have a lot of functions going on. We have parties and we have Christmas Eve, we have Christmas Day, and then some parties next week. So lots of reasons to celebrate with the holidays and lots of yummy food to make as well. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I share with you our weekly meal plan every week. I do a Walmart grocery pickup each week, and it's everything that we need for my family of four, me and my husband and my two boys. So let me show you all the groceries I got. I have my meal plan written out. I know if you've been around my channel, I use this book every single week. I will link it in the description box. It's from Amazon. So let me show you the groceries and the meal plan. Okay, so we got a lot of stuff this week. And like I said, the holidays, Christmas is here. Christmas is just a day away. So lots of things to do and lots of little functions that we're going to during and after Christmas. So I will start over on this side and go through the groceries first, then the meal plan. So I got 2 boxes of this bubbly sparkling water. I got 2 because if you get 2, you can clip a $1 off coupon. So we will drink that, and I like to save $1. So 2 of those, a gallon of milk, 2 things of almond milk that my husband uses for his smoothies. Lots of healthy stuff this week in between all the parties that we're going to, all the functions and dinners with friends and family. So lots of fruits and vegetables, smoothies to help us stay on track when we aren't out and about gathering. Some lettuce, we're gonna do salads, broccoli, we got zucchini down here, avocados. My kids are really obsessed with avocado and guacamole, so we've been really going through the avocados lately. An onion, grapes, raspberries, which they actually substituted. I ordered strawberries, but that's okay. We love raspberries as well. Blueberries, 2 different yogurts. I wanted to get 2 of these 2 goods, but they only had 1 in stock. So they gave me 1 of these Chobani zero sugar Greek vanilla. So that will be good. I got these little tart shells to take to one of our Christmas functions, and I'm gonna fill it with some chocolate pudding and then a little dollop of whipped cream. So super easy. I know that everybody will love those, and I like anything that's easy. Carrots, we love carrots as snacks. Burritos or burrito tortillas. My husband can live off of these things, I swear. Diced frozen potatoes. I'm going to make a potato casserole dish. And of course, there'll be a video on that, so stay tuned for that one. But it is really, really good. So this sour cream is for that. Cottage cheese, one of our favorite snacks. My husband and I love these water drink enhancers. They are delicious. He likes the mixed berry, and I like the pineapple mango one. Got a big box of oatmeal to have in stock. One of my kids likes it every once in a while, so I like to have lots of that in the pantry. Cheddar cheese. I got some mini chocolate chips and some mini Christmas M&Ms. I'm going to make some Chex Mix the Muddy Buddies and Christmas version. So it's going to be really, really good. Here's our pudding, a chocolate and vanilla, and I always get the sugar-free. I got some shrimp. This is going to be for an appetizer. Here's the cocktail sauce. I got some Caesar dressing, and then back there is the whipped cream. I got 3 boxes of these phyllo shells, and these are just the easiest appetizer ever. You can fill them with so many different things, so I stocked up on those. I got some canned goods. I'm going to do a corn casserole for Christmas night, so I got some regular corn and some creamed corn, and it's really, really good. Also black beans and then cream of chicken. The cream of chicken is for my potato casserole dish. Wheat thins, I like the reduced fat it's going to be for the shrimp cocktail sauce recipe. Some bacon, I'm going to make some bacon wrapped little smokies, delicious appetizer. Bananas for the week, bread, sandwich tins for my husband's lunches, chicken, we go through a lot of chicken. So these are all of the groceries, and let me show you the grocery plan for this week. Like I said, with Christmas here, it's a little crazy, and trying to be healthy in between because we're definitely will indulge on the holiday nights. So I'm going to do chicken Caesar salad, nice and healthy. Love chicken Caesar salads, definitely one of my favorites. On Christmas Eve, I'm doing the shrimp appetizer and then a mixed green salad. Christmas night, we are hosting and we're doing tri-tip asparagus, bacon wrapped smokies for the appetizer. We're going to do a chip and dip appetizer as well, and then creamed corn casserole. There'll be a few other things that some other people will bring as well, but that's what I'm doing. Thursday, we're doing leftovers, gonna keep it really simple, and I'm just gonna eat what we have because our fridge will be full, I just know it. Friday, I'm gonna do ground turkey and rice and zucchini little scramble. I already have ground turkey, so I saw that in the freezer and wanted to use that up this week. I'm going to do a crock pot chicken noodle soup, which is one of my favorite things. And it has been really cold and wet here lately, so definitely have chicken noodle soup on the calendar. And then on Sunday, we're doing a family get together with some extended family, and I'm gonna do the potato casserole and also a meatball appetizer. So that is the meal plan for the week. All of the groceries, everything we're having. I hope that you enjoyed this week's grocery haul. I hope that you have a really, really wonderful Christmas Eve, Christmas, and all the holiday season, and then New Year's next week. So I hope that you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.